everybody and welcome back to my channel. Here I will be reviewing and comparing different makeup products in different categories. So the first product we will be discussing about is of course the first step of the whole makeup ritual, which I have been skipping for years, and when I use it I cannot stop using. This primer we are going to talk about. What is primer? Primer होता क्या है? Primer is basically a base for your foundation or your face makeup. Either फाउंडेशन यूज़ करते हैं, बीबी क्रीम यूज़ करते हैं या सीसी क्रीम यूज़ करते हैं. आप अगर उससे पहले प्राइमर लगाते हैं, it gives you a whole different coverage और आपका मेकअप और लॉन्ग लास्टिंग हो जाता है. प्राइमर इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों है? प्राइमर हम क्यों लगाएं? आफ्टर वी मॉइस्चराइज आवर स्किन, हमारे स्किन में फिर भी पोर्स दिखते हैं, फाइन लाइंस दिखते हैं. आपके फाउंडेशन को, आपके मेकअप को एक क्लीन कैनवस देने के लिए हम प्राइमर यूज़ करते हैं. बेसिकली सूट्स फाइन लाइंस, पोर्स एंड इवन wrinkles, and it is also lifesaver for getting your makeup stay for longer duration and in extreme weather. Primer is available in two consistency, cream and gel base. The primers we are going to discuss about are these three primers which I basically use. So the first primer I'm talking about is this L'Oreal Beige Magique Transforming Soothing Primer. It comes in a packing like this, and section is like whipped butter or something like that, I don't know, and it's baby pink in color, which gives you a very fresh look. It's almost finished. I use it on a regular basis. जैसे 2-3 घंटे के लिए मेकअप करना हुआ मुझे, जैसे मार्केट जा रही हूँ, शॉपिंग जा रही हूँ, it goes well for 4 to 5 hours. You just need a very tiny amount of it and it expands and get absorbed into the skin. It is very silky. I'll give it 3.5 out of 5. I'm also doing an orange test. So I'm doing this orange test so that you can understand primer better. So firstly, I'm taking a clean orange, similar to our skin with pores and everything. What I'll do, I'll apply first a primer. I'm applying this L'Oreal Beige Magique. So I'll apply a very little amount of primer over here. This side I have applied primer and this side is left. As you can see the difference here, this is the primed area and this is the area which is left. And now I'll apply a foundation. The area where I applied nothing, no primer, and this is the area where I have applied primer. This is the area where I have applied primer first, and this is area without primer. So this is what primer does to our skin, and I'll do it for each primer I'm showing today. Second primer I use is NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. It comes in a tube and it is like a clear gel liquidy texture, and this one is very light and works perfect for oily skin. Like every primer, it's very smooth, silky and gets absorbed in the skin. It works like your Instagram filter for your photo day, wedding, on a day when you can't stop clicking pictures. But I have a very dry skin problem all the time, so I rarely use this, but of course I recommend it for oily skin. This is without primer and this one is with NYX. Last not the least one I got from Sephora. It is called the Porefessional Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores by Benefit, and it is by Benefit. Okay guys, this is the high-end one. This is the most pricey one, and I got it for 2,860 rupees. But you know guys, I think this is worth this much amount because it works like magic. Today I'm not using it, so don't judge it by that. Okay. So it comes in a packing like this. The Porefessional Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. Something written in different language, I don't know. And it comes by Benefit. Benefit is the name of the brand. It has like 22 ml. It has a secret, this section, and I'll read out the secret details in here. Dual action to prime and touch up during the day. contains vitamin E. It contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. And you know what is free radicals? Free radicals are basically a chain of damage to the skin, and it contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect it from that free radical. And yes, it is oil free, but at the same time it hydrates your skin very nicely throughout the day. And I have been using it for quite a long time, and this is by far my favorite. It truly does its work and works like magic on my skin. It is highly recommended for people having large pores because it minimizes the pores without clogging it. So this is 5 out of 5. The 3 primers I swear by, and I hope this video helps you in your next purchase. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and to stay connected, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.
In case you're wondering, I'm wearing Color Bar Matte in number 7 Blue Lagoon.